Good afternoon, dear children. This is your science teacher. Now take out your science textbook and open page number 47. So, dear children, as you know that we have already completed our topic point number 6.1, that is, can all changes always be reversed? So, we have learned in this that yes, there are lots of changes that can be reversed. So one of them is the blowing of balloon. Then second one is the making the toy aeroplane, that means by folding the paper. Okay, then again third one, that is making a roti, rolled out a roti by the ball of dough. So all these changes can be reversed. Okay, while the another activity, that is 4 5 6, we have learned that some activities cannot be reversed. Okay, we just do this activity as same as the activity number 1, 2 and 3. So in activity number 4, we have burst the balloons. So the bursting of balloon is irreversible change. Okay, then we have cut the paper. So the cutting of paper is also the irreversible change. The change cannot be reversed. Then we roast the roti from the ball of dough. So by rolling the roti and we roast that roti. Okay, so this is also the irreversible change. Understood? So, dear children, now you use a pencil and eraser. With repeated use, their shape and size change. Can we reverse this change? No, we cannot reverse this change. Okay, then you must have seen a potter working on his wheel. He shapes a lump of clay into a pot. Can this change be reversed? Yes. Okay, this can be reversed. Okay, he then bakes the pot in an oven. Now, can this change be reversed? No. After baking anything, we cannot change this state into its previous state. Okay, so that means that change is irreversible change, but we can change the shape of clay into pot and pot into the lump of clay. So that change may be a reversible change. So, some common changes are given in table number 6.1. Which of these changes do you think can be reversed? So, we find that one way we can group changes is to see if they can be reversed. Okay. So, in this table number 6.1, you have to write whether this change whether the changes given in this table is reversed or not. So let's check out. So first of all, the change raw egg to boiled egg. Okay, so we can change the raw egg into boiled egg, but we cannot change the boiled egg into raw egg. Okay, raw egg means कच्चा जो egg होता है वो. So that means this change cannot be reversed. Okay, the answer is no. Okay, then batter to idli. Okay, after making idli, we cannot change that idli into the batter. So the answer is no, it is not, it cannot be reversed. Okay, I'll write it again. Here answer is no. Okay, now wet clothes to dry clothes. Yes, this is reversible change, because after drying the clothes we can also wet that clothes. Okay, and we can also dry that clothes. That means here you should write yes. Okay, then woolen yarn to knitted sweater. This can be reversed, because you can also change that knitted sweater into woolen yarn. That means answer is yes. Okay. Now grain to its floor. So it cannot be reversed because we cannot change flour into the grain. So the answer should be no. Okay. Then cold milk to hot milk. Yes, this change can be reversed because we can refrigerate hot milk to making it cold milk. So the answer will be yes. Now straight string to a coiled string. Yes, we can reverse this change because the coiled string we can also make it straight string. Okay. So the answer is yes. Now bird to flower. Okay, after a bird to flower we cannot change the flower into bird. So the answer is no. Then milk to paneer. After making paneer by milk, we cannot change the paneer into milk. So our answer will be no. Cow dung to biogas. After making biogas by using cow dung, we cannot change the biogas into the cow dung again. So the change cannot be reversed. Now stretch rubber band to its normal size. Yes, this change is reverse. We also stretch the band to its normal size, okay, and the normal size into the stretched one. Then ice cream to molten ice cream. Yes, we can refrigerate the molten ice cream to make it solid ice cream. So here the answer should be yes. Okay, so let's revise it again. Here the answer is no. Then butter to idli, no. Then wet clothes to dry clothes, yes. Then woolen yarn to knitted sweater, again yes. Then grain to its flour, no. Then cold milk to hot milk, yes. Then straight string to coiled string, yes. Then butt to flour, no. Milk to paneer, no. Cow dung to biogas, no. Stretch rubber band to its normal size, yes. And ice cream to molten ice cream, yes. So dear children, you have to write this table number 6.1, some common changes in your copy. Okay. So dear children, I hope you understand this portion, that is the some common changes. Okay, tomorrow we will start the point number 6.2, could there be other ways to bring a change. Okay, so dear children, till then it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day. So dear children, your today's homework will be the table number 6.1, that is some common changes. Okay, you have to just draw that table, and you have to just write yes or no. Okay, so dear children, till then it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.